Lavender's roots trace back 2,500 years to the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and India. The Egyptians cherished it for its fragrant perfumes, and even the tomb of Tutankhamun held remnants of lavender that retained its scent. Ancient Rome played a crucial role in introducing lavender to the UK. The Romans recognized its antiseptic qualities and used it for treating wounds, repelling insects, cooking, and even bathing. Interestingly, the English word lavender stems from the Latin lavare, meaning to wash. By the 1500s, lavender had established itself in England, thanks to Queen Elizabeth I, who used it for both perfume and tea to alleviate migraines. During the Great Plague of 1665, people believed lavender could offer protection and cure the infected. Over the centuries, its popularity for fragrance and healing properties only grew. Hitchin boasts a storied history of lavender cultivation, dating back to the 1500s. By this time, Hitchin was one of only 2 major lavender-growing regions in England. The local pharmacist Harry Perks, who acquired an apothecary in 1760, and his son Edward, who commercialized lavender farming, played an instrumental role in this development. At its peak, Hitchin had over 100 acres dedicated to lavender. As the 19th century progressed, Harry's grandson, Samuel, partnered with Charles Llewellyn to form Perks and Llewellyn. Their top-notch lavender products earned numerous awards and became a landmark of Hitchin's High Street for nearly 200 years. You can even see a replica of the Perks and Llewellyn shop in Hitchin Lavender's museum. Maintained by the Hitchin Historical Society, Hitchin was also home to the UK's oldest independent pharmaceutical company, Ransom's. Founded by William Ransom in the mid-1800s, the company played a pivotal role in the local lavender industry, even garnering royal attention. In 1851, Queen Victoria's train stopped in Hitchin, so Ransom could present her with a bottle of essential oil distilled from local lavender. However, the lavender industry in Hitchin began to decline by the 1960s due to rising costs and competition from France. Thanks to Alec and Zoe Hunter, who introduced lavender to Cadwell Farm in the year 2000, Hitchin's lavender heritage saw a renaissance. Initially intended for agricultural use, the lavender fields quickly attracted public interest. Today, the farm boasts over 35 miles of lavender rows that draw tens of thousands of visitors each summer. Hitchin Lavender even had the honor of presenting Queen Elizabeth II with a bouquet and essential oil during her Diamond Jubilee year. Since 2012, the farm, now known as Hitchin Lavender, has been managed by the next generation, Tim and Maria Noel. They are committed to sustaining Hitchin's rich lavender legacy, transforming those initial rows into expansive fields, and creating a wide range of nationally and internationally sold products. So whether you're a history buff, a lavender enthusiast, or just looking for a beautiful day out, Hitchin Lavender offers a captivating blend of the past and present, wrapped in the soothing scent of lavender.